Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to use the smart key. So here's the one that came with this lock. Right? Uh-oh. No. Okay, yeah, I accidentally hit it with my touch the fingerprint sensor, whatever. So you can see the original key works, right? But what if you don't want to carry, I don't know, 5 different keys for all the doors on your house? What if you just want one? That's where smart key comes in. So this is the one I'm going to be using. The brand doesn't matter, although this one is a Baldwin. I like it because you can have more leverage on this one. It's a KW1 style key, which is the same style as this one. So here's how you reprogram it. Insert the key, turn it 90 degrees, so it's facing like that. Alright? Now, insert the programming tool in there, press all the way, remove it, and also remove the original key. Now, you want to stick your new key in there, okay, and then twist. So now, it has been reprogrammed. You just want to test it, alright? Don't remove it yet. Like that. So it works. This key works. And I'm going to remove it now. Now I can reinsert it. It works. So, I have successfully reprogrammed the lock for a new key. So that is how you use Kwikset Smartkey, or really Smartkey in general, because Baldwin, this brand, has also done it too. But that's it for this video.